Hi everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. Alright, so first open your preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome and go to google.com and make sure you're signed into your account. And once you're sure that you're signed into your account, just go ahead and go to Google Apps, the nine dots over here, and you can see the icon for Google Drives. Just go ahead and click on that and it will take you directly to Google Drive. So to create a shared folder, just first click on New and click on New Folder. And for this one, let's just say Shared Folder. So after you made your new folder, just go ahead and double click on that one and go back to New, File Upload. Then let's look for something here to upload. Let's use this one. So if you want to share this folder to others, just go ahead and press this one over here and click on Share. So you can either add people, but I would prefer to use this one, the general access. Just click on restricted and change it to anyone with a link. So you can then copy link, then send it to anyone that you want to share the folder with, and they can access it without requesting for access.